There happens to be a number of incidents in the labs while performing experiments that could lead to the death of someone, and since we are humans, mistakes tend to happen unknowingly. But this one incident that happened recently would blow your mind and make you claim that she should have taken it off. But what exactly happened? What does the title mean? What is this incident all about? To break the suspense, continue watching the video till the end. The story begins with school students who used to attend chemistry practicals every Thursday and Friday. The school had this policy of making half the class attend the practicals on Thursdays and the other half on Fridays, only because the lab was not big enough to accommodate all the students at one go. During one such practical day, the chemistry teacher told the class to conduct an experiment which involved making use of concentrated sulfuric acid. This experiment led to the most dangerous incident that could have ever happened. The experiment was done in groups, so there were 2 boys and 1 girl in a group who were trying to do the experiment, and one student for some reason was in a hurry and tripped into the female student. And he just did not trip over her. While he tripped, he was holding a beaker in his hand which was full of sulfuric acid. Yes, he tripped and ended up spilling the acid completely over her. The teacher took immediate action by making her take her clothes off and showering her with water again and again so that the burns would not get serious. However, this was not just the end of it. They forgot to take off her bra, since they were hesitant about that, and the student also did not want it to go half-clad in front of their students. Therefore, the bra ended up melting and burning into her skin, and she had to get surgery done in order to mitigate horrible scars in that area. Shocking, right? This incident made us realize what else can happen if such an incident occurs. What are the symptoms and how can one avoid this? We have conducted research for you people. While dilute solutions will not be fast or thorough just like concentrated acids, concentrated ones can damage the skin painfully by dehydration. It will remove water from the very cell wall molecules, destroying them all. The cells will die before any pain signals can be sent. By the time you finally feel it, first a tickling, then extreme pain, the damage is done. Your skin and underlayers will be reduced to ash, as if they were burned in a flame. I have seen several answers claiming don't wash it off with water. That's not very good advice. They will all say to wash with copious running water. Any heat produced by the acid dissolving in the water, which will happen and which is what the others were warning about, will be swept away by the running water. Lots of running water. If just a drop in your hand, then stick it under a tap and turn on the cold water full. Let it run and wash your exposed skin for at least 15 to 20 minutes. If you get it on your body, then find a drench shower and pull the chain or the lever to turn on the water. About 100 liters per minute will flow out. Strip off any contaminated clothing. This is no time to be shy. The other answers that say not to use water have either been misinformed or live in a place where there are liters of methanol lying around for easy access. People say instead of water, use methanol to avoid the heat of reaction with water. Where I live, it is likely that you can find a sink or safety shower far faster than you can find a bottle of methanol, which is generally kept locked up in the volatile cabinet and secured by careful inventory. The extra time you will take to find the methanol will mean you are leaving the acid on your skin even longer, allowing it to do even more damage. So do not take any of the advice against using water. It is painfully wrong. The only time I would agree to avoid water is if you have a couple of liters of methanol literally in hand. You are standing outside or in an extremely well-ventilated area. There are no heat sources or sparking sources nearby anywhere. Even then, I would not use methanol unless the only water you have is in a damp cloth. Did you find the story interesting? Do you also happen to have seen or undergone such an incident? Did we miss out on anything? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We would love to get to know your perspective on this matter. Let's discuss these in yet another video, so stay tuned. Well, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. If you liked the video, then do make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button too. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. With that being said, let's meet in another one of such awesome videos. Until then, see ya!